Aloha. Welcome to Cluster B Free Karen 2 here on TikTok. Aging narcissists. Aging narcissists have no problem coming back to prior supply. You may have divorced them, or they may have divorced you, or ditched you, ghosted you years ago, whether you were married or not. But you see, time has its ravages. When they hit their late 50s, 60s, 70s, health has a way of going downhill. Now the doctor is pronouncing more serious illnesses, some that are definitely life-threatening. They're going to be unalived eventually, or they're serious diseases that causes problems ambulating, like muscular dystrophy, the big C. They will come crying on your doorstep, hoping that you're still a good Christian, you're still a forgiving individual after they did you dirty, left you for somebody 30 years younger. But you see, that wore out. The little blue pills didn't work anymore. Aging narcissists have no shame. They'll come back with the pity party, and oh baby, will they cry. They will beg. They will plead. They'll even admit their wrongdoing. So sorry about all the cheating. So sorry about the STDs. But you know, you were the only one I ever loved. No, you're probably the only one that they can come back to, or one of 4 people that they have tried, and the other 3 have said definitely no. Join them. Don't take an aging narcissist back because they're at the end of their line. You want to have mercy for them? Pray for them and move on with your life, because they'll take what's left of the quality of your life, your joy, your energy, your assets, your ability to perform your life and enjoy your people and friends and grandchildren. Don't let an aging narcissist come back and be a burden, because after all that sweetness and love bombing and I'm so sorry, the evil, the bitter, well, it's because I'm sick, I'm sorry, I don't mean to be so grumpy, it's cause yeah. You know what? Let them reap what they've sown. It's not your job to be in God's way. Those of you who believe in karma doesn't forget an address. Don't try to change it for them. Let that aging narcissist be on their own without you. I'm a life coach. Contact me at www.clusterbfreekaren.com. Aloha.